वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और अपनी सेहत एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे. I'm okay as well. So today's video is about lip application and how to choose color of lip liner or lipstick. And all the information I'm providing to you is based on professional makeup artist and professional wellness beauty therapist Bobby Brown, and uh, she's an American makeup artist, and she wrote 9 books on beauty and wellness. So I'm just giving information based on her experience, which she shared with us. So first of all, I would like to give you three main tips for application of lips. First of all, is always choose your lipstick or lip color, lip pencil color according to your own lip color. Like always buy the lip liner, lip liner or lip pencil of your own natural lips color. जो भी आपके लिप्स का नेचुरल कलर है, आप उस हिसाब से अपने लिप्स का लिप लाइनर जो है वो उसको चूज करें. और once you put your lipstick on, just press it on with your finger, so to infuse the color in right into your lips. And the third one is always use face powder or blusher after application of lipstick. That will help it stay longer. It's for those people who's like this and tap tap tap. It's for those people whose lipstick just come out after eating or drinking, so specifically for them. So I'm going to share you some information about guidance for selecting lip color. So how to choose a lip color for your own color. So see if your suppose if your lip color is pale, so you should use some beige based lip shades, lip tints, then sandy pink and light coral, pale pink and bright red. एंड देन कम्स मीडियम लिप्स. मीडियम लिप्स उस तरह के होते हैं जो कि ना पिंक होते हैं ना ब्राउन होते हैं. सो उनके लिए आप कौन से कलर चूज कर सकते हैं? उसके लिए आप ब्राउन, रोज, पिंक कलर, ऑरेंज या फिर वार्म रेड कलर की आप लिपस्टिक चूज कर सकते हैं. देन कम्स डार्क लिप्स. जिन लोगों के होंठ काले होते हैं उनके ऊपर कौन सी लिपस्टिक सूट करती है? उनके ऊपर ब्राउन कलर की लिपस्टिक सूट करती है, डीप रेड सूट करती है, और प्लम कलर की, डीप चॉकलेट और डीप बेरीज का कलर जो होता है. ठीक है. एंड देन कम्स टू टोन लिप्स. जिनके लिप्स जो है वो टू टोन है, ब्राउन भी है, डार्क ब्राउन भी है, लाइट ब्राउन भी है, पेल है. उनके ऊपर चॉकलेट कलर की लिपस्टिक और ब्लैकबेरी, डीप प्लम, डीप रेजन एंड डीप रेड कलर सूट्स वेरी वेल. माय फेवरेट ब्रांड इज मेबेलिन सुपर स्टे मैट. जो मैट की लिपस्टिक्स होती हैं, क्योंकि उसमें ऑयल बहुत कम होता है और ऑयल कम होने की वजह से वो आपकी लिप्स के ऊपर ज़्यादा देर स्टे करती हैं. सो my personal professional lipstick if you're going to use is Maybelline, which is matte. This one, and today I'm going to apply this brown and light brown shade. So always start making, don't ever start your lipstick from the top corner. Always start it from the corners, side corners of your lips. So I'm going to start it with the dark brown. Just follow your own lip line. And then dab your lips. And that's it. Right, okay. I always choose my lipstick to come out of my lips because I've got very thick lips under my lower lip is thick and my upper lip are very thin, so I always prefer them to be outside of my own lips. So I'm gonna dab it like this and then tap it like this. Okay, because it's quite dark, so it's always suitable if you're going to put your lipstick on, just mix about two colors, like one is darker and one is lighter. So what I do is I normally do dark brown on the sides and I do this light shade in the middle, just to give it a longer shade. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck. If your lips are thicker, thinner, you can always shape it shape them with the help of a lipstick, because this lipstick can change your lips thicker or thinner. So then I'm gonna use this think, and again this is also Maybelline lip liner. So I'm gonna use this thick one.
Thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Right. So the lip color, the lip pencil, or basically what it does, it seal your lipstick inside your lips. And what do you do at the end? You just take some face powder or blusher you use whichever on your lips. To make it stay longer, you just do this, tap, and then now because this is a Maybelline matte, the one main thing is it's gonna stay longer on your skin, because this is matte. There is no excess of oil, so you can use this on party, weddings, or function where you think you're gonna when you have longer parties where you think your lipstick is gonna go waste. You can just use this one. And for other, I've got one. So if you're gonna wear it something for like for shiny lips, you can just use the lip tint. I've got this Nivea. This is not matte. This is just for a shine your lips. This is just basically a pink tint you can use like for a normal day use. So you can use this on your lips and it stay. It won't stay longer because the lipstick which are oily or sticky, they don't last longer because they keep smudging right after you put them on. So I hope you understood my today's video about lipstick, and I would prefer the brand Maybelline, and matte lipsticks are good as well. So my favorite one is Maybelline because they stay longer, and it's basically for professional use as well. So I hope you like my today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Neerms, and I'll see you next time. Take care.